Hello guys, this is John from Channel 668电线 and Channel 777电线. If you guys are interested in those items, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Wechat, WhatsApp, and you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe my Twitch channel. I'll do more reviews here. Okay, so today I want to show you guys the new sample we got for the Travis Scott X Nike Air Max. The new colorway we got. Two colors here. Okay, so let me show you this one first. Left side. Also check the side. Top box. The back. The cactus jack and the Nike logo. And check the insole. The button. Okay, and turn to this one. Another colors. The top box. Also check the back. The insole. And the button. And also let me show the shoes box here. The size label. And also check the paper. Okay, so Travis Scott X Nike Air Max from Wechat 668电线 and Wechat 777电线. If you guys are interested in those items, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Wechat, WhatsApp. And this is Jen. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.